In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add default reviewers on GitHub. This is a super useful feature that can streamline your workflow and ensure that the right people are always brought into your review process, without needing to remember to include them manually with each pull request. To get started, you'll first need to open your GitHub repository where you want to add default reviewers. Once you're in your repository, look towards the upper right of your screen, and you'll see a green button labeled Add File. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Create New File. This is where the magic begins, as creating a new file within your repo is the first step to setting up your default reviewers. With this new file, you'll need to name it correctly for GitHub to recognize its purpose. Enter .github/codeowners into the file name field. This specific name and location are crucial because it signals to GitHub that this file will dictate code ownership and review privileges for your repository. Make sure there are no typos here, as any mistakes in the naming convention could prevent the system from working as intended. Now that you have your file named appropriately, it's time to add your reviewers. In the file editor, you'll use the following format to list the GitHub usernames of your default reviewers. Simply type an asterisk to indicate all files, followed by a space, then at username 1, at username 2, and so forth for each person you wish to add. This format tells GitHub that for any change to this repository, these specified users should review it. A helpful tip is to double-check these usernames to ensure accuracy, as misspellings or incorrect names will prevent them from being notified. Once you've entered the usernames, review your entries to ensure everything looks correct. Misspelling a username can lead to confusion, and the required reviewers might not get notified when you create a pull request. Take a moment to verify that you've included everyone who should be a default reviewer. It's also worth considering if there are any team members who should be added later, or if roles shift within your team. After you've entered the necessary details and confirmed their accuracy, scroll down to find a green button labeled Commit Changes. Click on it. Committing the changes will save the file to your repository and activate the settings. Make sure to provide a commit message that reflects the changes you've made, as this will help with tracking this setup in the repository history. And that's it. You've successfully configured GitHub to automatically assign the specified users as reviewers on every new pull request in this repository. This handy feature not only saves time, but also ensures that the right set of eyes are on the job immediately, allowing for a smoother and more efficient code review process.